Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Slack, complete guide step by step clearly. To register with Slack, begin by visiting the official Slack website at slack.com. Once you're on the home page, look for the Get Started or Sign Up button, typically found in the upper right corner. Click on that button to start the registration process. You'll be prompted to enter your email address. Make sure to use a valid email, as you will receive a confirmation link. After entering your email, click on Continue. Next, check your inbox for an email from Slack. Open the email and click on the confirmation link provided. This will redirect you back to the Slack registration page. Now, enter your first and last name in the appropriate fields. You will also need to create a password for your Slack account. Make sure your password is strong and secure. After filling in your name and password, click on Create Account. On the next screen, you may be asked if you're joining an existing workspace or creating a new one. If you are creating a new workspace, provide the necessary details about your team. This includes your team name and the purpose of the workspace. Once you've filled in this information, click Next. Now, you can invite your team members by entering their email addresses. You can skip this step if you prefer to add members later. After inviting any team members or skipping the step, click Done. Congratulations! You have successfully registered with Slack. You can now log in using your email and password whenever you need to access your workspace. Take a moment to explore the main features of Slack and customize your profile settings. You're now ready to start collaborating with your team. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.